This 2026 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22CF is a Class C RV. It is located in Colorado Springs, CO 80909 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Colorado Springs. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2026 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 22CF is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.